Hi Asad, how are you? Yes, this is Ravi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today, I work in the morning as well as working. Especially today, I work on about some videos which is sent it by you. Actually, ordering video, and we discuss about Rabbi also, and I see properly actually how to do the process properly. And also today I visit Ubers and also Jihad, and today someone mails reply, and also visited the side of SQS of our Emacsville. So today I actually work all about the work, and today yesterday I have finished the FC detail, and we have not actually schedule work, and so this is a last day of this week. So next week we want to know about the order video mode, like gold crazed, and also the Blu-ray snipe, how to make a order process over there. So next week you have to guideline to us how to do that. So thank you, and thank you for my watching video. So bye for now.